What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Like I said, we was gonna get some work in. We already started. We got two pieces already on the roof, but we are getting after it. I'm gonna do a little time lapse, but you know, you guys already seen this 100 times already on this channel, but I'm gonna do it one more time. Got another layer done on the roof back here. We're gonna take a break. All right, guys, we're done for today. I got that layer on the roof, and basically I'm finished. Kind of hard to see. Got another layer on there. Got some other pieces in there. Yeah, man, we're done. Got my new Cletus hat on. Come on. But yeah, we're finished for the day. We're gonna enjoy some New Year's Eve stuff. But happy New Year's Eve. Oh, don't forget, everybody, roll fucking tide.